So we are checking on the bird nest. I haven't seen a bird flying around here for a while, and this is just looking like, I don't even know. I don't even know how a bird would be getting in and out of this right now. But the camera hasn't been working, of course. If there's nothing in here, I think I'm gonna end up relocating this birdhouse closer to the house. Whoa. Look at that conglomeration. So no eggs. Definitely been abandoned. I'm gonna just take it down and clean it out and relocate it. Maybe we'll get a new mama bird. The blazing sun, see if we can see in it better. This is really interesting. I was gonna these are pieces of plastic tarp. It literally used, there's a big piece of tarp. It used feathers, trash. I don't know what this is. All kinds of grass.